Okay, so this is question number 7 from practice test number 1 of the SAT. And what we see here is that we're given a very large equation in terms of M here. And the question says the formula above gives the monthly payment M needed to pay off a loan of P, so there's P, dollars at R% annual interest over N months. So we see and can locate all of those variables, but we still don't know what we're being asked to do. So the last part here, the actual question says, which of the following gives P in terms of M, R, and N? So first of all, anytime you see P in terms of, or any variable in terms of, that means that you're trying to isolate whatever that first variable was, right? And even if we did not understand that fully, you can tell by looking at all the answer choices that that's exactly what our mission is here, is to get P alone from its current position at the end of this equation. So realistically, the way this looks, it looks like a translate word problem. We also see variables in the question and answer choices, which means it could be a plug in your own number. But the overall strategy that we want to use here is simplify. So I'm going to write S for simplify here, because we're really not needing to solve anything. We're not needing to get a value. We're just needing to rearrange, right? So how do I get this P all alone? So if I want to get P by itself, that means I need to somehow get rid of this, the R over 1200, get rid of this, the 1 plus R over 1200 to the nth power, and get rid of the denominator here, the 1 plus R over 1200 to the nth power minus 1. So the easiest thing for me to get rid of first is the denominator. So if I multiply both sides by the denominator, what I'll end up with is M, and I'm going to just say parentheses 1 plus R over 1200 to the nth power minus 1. And that's going to equal my R over 1200 in parentheses 1 plus R over 1200 close parentheses to the nth power. And of course, that's all multiplied by P. So now I want to get rid of these factors here that are in front of my P. So if I divide both sides by those things, I'll just put the little quotation marks to represent the R over 1200 and the 1 plus R over 1200 to the nth power. I will then cross this out, which leaves P alone, so P equals. And then I'd still have my numerator as the M parentheses 1 plus R over 1200 N, and then minus 1, but all that will be divided by what I had in front of P a few moments ago, which is R over 1200 times 1 plus R over 1200 to the nth power. So I've just successfully isolated P. Now I'm looking to find out which of these answer choices matches what I just did. So choice A, it looks like what I have as a denominator, it has as a numerator, so that's no good. Choice B looks like what I have. It has the numerator that I have. It has the M here kind of hidden on the side, which means it's the same as having it multiplied in the numerator, so there's no different from what I have. So I like that. So B is good. The others don't really make any sense. I'm missing a lot of information in C, which makes it no good, and D also loses quite a bit of information as well. So choice B is the best answer here.